Hello friends, this is Abhilasha and thank you for selecting this video. Today my topic is present perfect continuous tense, and in this lesson you will learn about how to make sentence if it is affirmative or negative or interrogative sentence. Let's start. It is very simple topic friends. If you want fluent English, if you want to speak English, so you should know about all the tenses. Let's start. In present perfect continuous tense, we add ing form with the verb and we use been with have or has. Let's see affirmative sentence. I have been playing for 2 hours. Here, what is the subject? I, first person. We always use have with the first person. And perfect continuous tense, we use been plus verb with the ing form. I have been playing for 2 hours. And how to make it negative? Simple friends. I have not been playing for 2 hours. I have not been playing for 2 hours. I have not been. We use not with between have and been. We use not. I have not been playing for 2 hours. How to make it interrogative sentence? Let's see. We use helping verb have first and then subject, then been, verb with ing form for 2 hours. Have I been playing for 2 hours? Have I been playing for 2 hours? It is the questions. Have I been playing for 2 hours? Second example is that he has been reading since morning. He, what is subject here? He, the third person singular number. We use has with the third person singular number. He has been reading. We add ing form with verb. We use been. He has been reading since morning. How to make it negative? He has not been reading since morning. He has not been. We add not between has and been. He has not been reading since morning. How to make it interrogative sentence? Has he been reading since morning? Has he been reading since morning? We are asking someone. Has he been reading since morning? The third example I have. They have been cleaning for 2 days. They, what is subject here? Third person, but it is plural form. They have been. We use have with the third person plural number. They have been cleaning for 2 days. They have been cleaning for 2 days. They are doing the cleaning work for 2 days. And how to make it negative? They have not been cleaning for 2 days. They haven't been doing. They haven't been cleaning for 2 days. And make it interrogative sentence. Have we use helping verb first, then have they been cleaning for 2 hours? Sorry, for 2 days. They have been cleaning for 2 days. They have not been cleaning for 2 days. Have they been cleaning for 2 days? Next example I have. We have been waiting for many hours. We. What is subject here? We. Plural form. First person plural form. We use have. We have been waiting for many hours. We are waiting for many hours. So We have been waiting for many hours. To make it negative, we use not. We have not been waiting for many hours. We have not been waiting for many hours. Have we waiting? Have, to make it interrogative sentence, have helping verb we use first. Have we been waiting for many hours? The last example I have, it has been raining since yesterday. It, the third person singular number, we use has. It has been raining. We add ing form with the verb. It has been raining since yesterday. It, to make it negative, it hasn't been raining since yesterday. It has not been raining since yesterday. To make it interrogative, we use helping verb first. Has it been raining since yesterday? Has it been raining since yesterday? So, it was the lesson of present perfect continuous tense in 3 types of sentences: affirmative, negative and interrogative. So, it brings me to the end of the lesson, friends. Today, I will come with the new lesson. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe it. I will come up with the new lesson soon. Till then, bye.